Best work-life balance jobs in 2024. Are you tired of feeling burned out and constantly struggling to balance your work and personal life? Look no further. Let's talk about the future of work is shifting towards jobs that prioritize work-life balance. We've got the inside scoop of the top work-life balance jobs of 2024 that offer just that. Let's say goodbye to the 9-to-5 grind and hello to a fulfilling career that allows you to have the best of both worlds. For more episodes, please like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for notifications. When it comes to the best work-life jobs, it is important to remember that it's not about working less, but rather working smart. These jobs allow you to prioritize your time, ensuring that you can complete your work responsibilities while still making time for leisure and other aspects of your life. Many people feel pressure to constantly work in fear of losing their jobs or not earning enough to cover their expenses. So don't sacrifice your well-being for the sake of your career. Instead, explore the opportunities for work-life balance jobs that will allow you to thrive personally and professionally. The benefits of work-life balance. Having a balance between work and personal life, known as work-life balance, has many benefits for the individuals and the company. For the individuals, the benefits include fewer health issues, higher productivity, fewer burnouts, more mindfulness. For companies, the benefits include increased employee engagement and satisfaction, increased productivity and effectiveness, lower turnover rates, increased creativity and innovation. Overall, balancing work and personal life can lead to more fulfilled and healthy life and more productive and successful company individual. The best work-life balance jobs in 2024. Corporate recruiters often considered to have one of the best work-life balance jobs in the workplace. They are responsible for finding and hiring top talent for companies and typically have a great deal of autonomy and flexibility in how they go about their work. Additionally, the median salary for the corporate recruiter is around $65,000, making it a financially rewarding career. To be a successful corporate recruiter, it is important to have a strong communication and client engagement skills, attention to details, building relationships, and solid marketing skills. Another job is SEO manager. SEO management is yet another of the best work-life balance jobs. An SEO manager, you may have the flexibility to work remotely. You set your own schedule and avoid traditional 9-to-5 jobs. Additionally, you may not leave to commute to an office, allowing for more time for other activities. An SEO manager's primary responsibility is to increase website traffic by ensuring that clients' business appears at the top of search engine results. Another job you may consider is content manager. Content manager can be a good fit for those looking for the best work-life balance jobs. As content manager, you can work from anywhere and you can set your own schedule as long as the work is done to high standards and on time. Additionally, the skills required for content management, such as writing, editing, and proofreading, are in high demand. So there are many opportunities to find work as a freelancer or with a company. Another job to consider is bookkeeping. Bookkeeping offers a great balance between work and leisure, allowing you to handle a company financial records on schedule that works for you. The workload varies depending on the company's size and the bookkeeping period duration, but the job itself is relatively stress-free. To excel as a bookkeeper, one must be detail-oriented, have a knack for catching mistakes, and possess strong organizational skills. Additionally, training in accounting can give you an edge in the job market. Bookkeepers can work from a firm independently or as a freelancer, allowing them to work with different companies. Another job is to consider is web designers is yet another one of the best work-life balance jobs for those who want to flex their creative muscles. As a web designer, you will be responsible for creating and designing the layout and features of a website. As a result, companies look for applicants with computer programming and graphic design backgrounds and skills in HTML, JavaScript, SQL. Web design can be found with online agencies or through self-employment by building a strong portfolios and advertising your service to clients. Social media manager. Working as a social media manager offers a great balance between work and personal life. The role of social media manager involves managing a business social media accounts, promoting the brand through creating content and engagement strategies. They must be tech-savvy, understand the ins and the outs of different platforms, and possess the ability to create a strong brand identity. They work closely with the marketing team and often act as a secondary marketing manager. A substitute teacher. Being a substitute teacher allows for a flexible work schedule and opportunity to earn money without committing to full-time contract. Substitute teacher can fill in for absent-time teachers teaching basic education up to graduate classes. Depending on the experience and educational level, special skills such as special education bilingualism and can give you an added advantage in employment. In conclusion, as we enter 2024, the quest for the perfect work-life balance continues. In the new landscape, various roles offer the potential for harmonious blend of job satisfaction and personal fulfillment. From remote work options and flexible schedule to positions that prioritize wellness and community, these best work-life balance jobs allow you to create the unique equation that works for you. So embrace the future, embrace change, and discover the career that gives you the ultimate balance of success and happiness. That's all for today's episode. If you have any questions about this episode, feel free to write it in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and give this episode a thumbs up. It will help the algorithm to promote our channel. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next episode.